Hello friends, welcome to Letstute. Today we will learn about why different people have different skin colors. We have different skin colors because of a pigment called melanin and also ultraviolet radiations from the sun. Are you confused? Okay, let's learn about it. First, do you know what melanin is? Melanin is a natural skin pigment. It protects our skin from the sun's ultraviolet rays. Darker looking individuals have more melanin in their skin than fair looking individuals have. Melanin is created by cells called melanocytes. Millions of years ago, people living near the equator received a lot of sunlight and ultraviolet radiation. And this ultraviolet radiation is actually absorbed by our skin to produce vitamin D. But excess radiation can damage our skin cells. Because of that, the skin of these people produces more melanin to block the excess ultraviolet radiation. Thus, over the time, these people and their succeeding generations adapted to have a higher level of melanin in their skin, making their skin darker. However, people living away from the equator received less sunlight and less ultraviolet radiation. Hence, in order to absorb sufficient ultraviolet radiation and produce essential vitamin D, these people and their following generations adapted to have a lower level of melanin, thus making their skin lighter. So that's why, according to different geographical regions, people have different skin colors. Whether the skin is dark or light, it has a work of its own. And if it is doing its job well for our protection, then it is the best skin for us. That's why there is no point in seeing it as good or bad. So, discrimination on the basis of skin color is not worth it. But this discrimination can reduce a little by sharing the knowledge about this subject. Hope you like this information. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.